Yes, this is not clickbait. This is actually happening. GTA 5 is running on Android devices using porting techniques, and the experience is mind-blowing. Seeing a game with such high-end graphics running smoothly on a phone brought tears to my eyes. It's truly a moment of awe. Let's break it all down step by step so you can experience this yourself. Playing GTA 5 on your Android. You can set up the controls manually, but I prefer connecting a keyboard and mouse directly. The result? Seamless gameplay with no delay or lag. Every mouse movement adjusts the view, and button presses respond instantly. The entire game runs so smoothly that it feels unreal. Graphics settings. Let's dive into the settings. At a resolution of 1600 by 720p with very high graphics enabled, the game maintains a solid frame rate above 50 FPS, something even many mid-range laptops struggle to achieve. Usually laptops require external graphics cards, fast processors, and significant RAM to run this game. Yet here it is running perfectly on a phone. This is the sheer power of porting. The future of flexing. Imagine pulling out your phone in front of friends at school, college, or even on public transport and starting a GTA 5 session. It's a showstopper. People will be stunned, asking, what is happening? Old cloud gaming versus new porting revolution. In the past, the only way to play GTA 5 on mobile was through cloud gaming, but it had several drawbacks. 1. Third-party apps. You needed to install external apps to access the game servers. 2. High-speed internet. Cloud gaming required ultra-fast internet speeds. 3. Input lag. Button presses had a noticeable delay, making the experience frustrating. 4. Subscription fees. Cloud gaming services often charged high fees, which many avoided. Now, with porting, those problems are a thing of the past. Games originally made for consoles or PCs can now be brought directly to your device without relying on cloud servers. Step-by-step guide to install GTA 5 on Android. Step 1. Download the game files. After downloading, extract them and save them in your phone's Downloads folder. Step 2. Go to GitHub. Open your web browser and go to kit@github.com to search for Horizon Emulator. Click the Update All button. After updating, refresh the system, manually download everything, and update it again. Step 3. Go to X11 Settings and set the resolution to 1600 by 720. Enable the Stretch to Fit display option. Step 4. Open the Container option, create a new container, and apply the settings. Step 5. Double tap the This PC icon, wait for the first boot, and launch the game. For touch controls, you'll need to manually assign them. You can use apps like Horizon Meter to fine-tune settings. You'll also need to install X-Input Bridge to use a controller. Performance on older devices. Initially, this game didn't work on many chipsets, but with updates, it now runs on most devices. I tested it on a 6-year-old phone, and even that ran the game smoothly, an impressive feat. Final words. This porting technique is a game changer. It brings exclusive content to mobile devices in a way that was previously unimaginable. To close the FPS panel, go to the Horizon Emulator settings, create a new preset, scroll down to find Enable Mango HUD, and turn it off. Go to Container Settings, select Environment Presets, choose the new preset, and you're done. Think of classics like Resident Evil 4 or BioShock now running on your phone. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to Tips and Tech and hit the bell icon to stay updated. More exclusive guides and gaming content are on the way. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and peace out.